Uy, may hapon sa inyo diha. First timer ta bay, wata ka balang si Bahaton. Pero try lang yun, vlog kay ni anak mo ng skillahan na mag-vlog daw ta kuno. Oh, try ta, bakay lang gad kay ano ba, watay motor ba, tipid-tipid. Nawa thumbs up, kay big vlogger yun ba. Oh, nakapara lang kita sa tong rila. Tipid-tipid ta, padulong ta sa itong pinakatsado ng skillahan sa Liceo de Cagayan University, di ba? Teleport, ta sa tong jeep, padulong na ta sa Liceo de Cagayan University, double time, double ride, let's go! Pero ay yun ko kabantay na dili man din mo akong schedule karon so tuan nangatol ko sa ulo nguli ko ron.
Not just pretend.
Niuli gid ko na kanay nailagot ko ba. Huwag ko sabot sa gibati. Busa kamo bay, utanaw gyud mo siyang schedule pementi. Kaya para di mo parehas na ako na mulakaw-lakaw para lang mampalaw ba.
I wake up to the silence. It's like my soul is on vacation.
Sige lang, today is another wonderful day no with my mama. Ka-OTD pa naman. Siyempre, bakit po itong agi na magtipid-tipid, diba? Kaya, diba, ote kwarta. Wow, teleport! Yan na dito din sa Tordal sa hall. Let's go! Early bird ta karon dari guys. Nya, kami ba ni kabukan na sa Tordal sa no? Dari mi sa taas kay siyempre. So, here we are now guys. Grabe atong journey no sa atong pag-ani din but we are finally able to sit and relax na. So, ayan. We're finally gonna be able to do our small reaction video. So, see ya maya! Hey, what's good mga guys? So, manata sa itong mga vlog na dramahan but like, right now we're having a video reaction of my first movie that time and it was Maricel. So, I don't know if it was so timing na ganun yung movie na ako na-watch but first of all, it's a movie by Elias Demetrio and then ako gud i-express na I don't really watch this kind of movies and then I mostly K-drama, anime, ganun. That's the kind of movies I watch even mga action na mga movies no. Like Avengers, I'm a big fan of Marvel as well. So like pero because of that na yung there's a big reason po na ngano ka na ang mga dili ka na mga movies kay di gyud na watch kay basta so because of that aspect no na di ko watch na movies because of that na I really find the movie super weird siya ako okay, it's not my type of movie and then there's a reason why dili ko katanaw na mga genre diba so like super weird siya but it still captures ba the attention of the viewers even ako na di katanaw so like na siya pagka weird but at the same time ako kay dili ko makastop pag-watch bitaw and then akong reaction lang yun ay na movie and it's very chaotic and then like because of that it really gets me intrigued by the movie ba and then like funny jud siya and then kasabay nimo sa mga show like si Maricel yun kay she looks really goofy person ba and then like because of that the show or the movie is giving that slap comedy vibes ba like the slap comedy ganon I think there's a term for that pero yeah ang funny na part is also yung mga viewers na kasama ko when watching the movie is that ginapares nila si Maricel o si Sir Pantilis gabi ka weird yun ba as in like it's very weird on that part but like I also find it funny but as well the part when kani si Miss Marika Madam Marika and then si Maricel sa ilang cat and dog relationship it really keeps the movie going ba like how they're having that language barrier bitaw and then like ikaw lang na viewer ka you will see na kung wala na talaga yung language barrier nila everything will be fine siguro but Marika has really that have strong sense of responsibility on taking care the house sa husband niya the pride sa mga old people ba na they can take care of themselves they don't want to be what do you call that they don't want to be yung parang pasyente sila and then what they really want is not really the helpers but yung mga just their children ba na pupunta sa bahay nila ganun lang yes So let's talk about the story itself, no. So basically si Maricel isa ka Filipina na domestic worker nga gipatawag gid na mo adto dito sa baryo dito sa Cyprus. Aron mo atiman sa mga sa katigulang bitaw na matiayon, which is si kuan si Serpantelis o si Madam Marica. So sa sinugdan wala lagi siya ordinaryong na trabaho, but samtang nagdugay siya dito sa simple na trabaho naging complicated situation, no, sa iyang hinahinay pagdiskubre sa daghang mga tagong kasuko, sa mga emosyonal na mga pagsalig ug mga sikito sa pamilya nga dugay nagitago. Tungod ani na complicated na situation, kailangan niya balansihon iya mga responsibilidad isang sa as a caregiver, and then iyang mga personal na connection sa pamilya ba nagiatiman. Dira gyud nagsakit unundugan ato na gusto lang niya madunggan ang tingog sa anak. And then this really shows of a sacrifice talaga sa movie, no. Shows of sacrifice, loneliness, and the reality of many OFW sa ilang mga pamilya. So mas mayo ang kanibuhi, but mostly sakripisyo ra gyud ni siya. And I really respect all the OFWs out there. Tungod ari na movie naglahi gyud ang paglantaw sa ila. So I respect all of you, and then good work talaga. All right, now we're down for our second video reaction. So like I don't know about this, but like ako ang second gid na movie is literal gid sa title. So the second movie that I watched was Summer is Crazy by Ula Hekila. I think that's the pronunciation. But like gikan gid sa iyang title na Summer is Crazy. The movie is really crazy talaga, and then like ako shocked gid ko about sa movie, and I mean there was what do you call this, expectations na parang ganito talaga yung mangyayari. But like, you know, their life is really chaotic, no. Everyone, each one of them, each family, bisa kinsa pag yun na. And then like, my honest reaction for the movie, just like how I said na I don't really watch this kind of genres. This one good is literal crazy, and ako na-hook diapon ko sa movie diapon in a sense ba. And like, this is the crazy part of my reaction about the whole thing. It's so funny because the movie has this 18 plus scenes. I think most of it is 18 plus. Most of it talks about drugs, na ay adultery, na ay crazy na mga things going on in the movie, no? And then like the crazy part about the whole situation, not just the movie, is that funny kayo kay karon na batch ang naahalo sa kay mga grade school student. And I was like, oh my gosh, the kids are watching, everyone, and like usa ni bay, like wala nagi timing sa mga faculty. Like karon gid sila na schedule nag-watch sa movie. Like katugid na show for the transparency of everyone, and to erase the filter na is scene good, like to unfilter it. There was a sexual scene good, I mean sexual scene ba. So like damn, and then the kids watch this dili lang making out, but you know the thing. So like I was like, bro, ang mga bata ang reaction nila kay like sabak yung mga bata. Mungkin ang honest reaction na movie has its own humor as well, and then like medyo dark good siya, and then how the adultery happened and how the drugs happened, I love it also. Really crazy. I have a few words about the movie, mura gyud ako maingon, and then like yeah, so basically that's that. So let's just talk about a little bit of the movie. Gamay lang good. So basically ang Summer is Crazy is set in the Finnish na archipelago during midsummer week, and it also follows the dreams and disappointment of one family ba together with their friends and lovers. And then human nga na bankrupt lugar ang ilahang dining restaurant, ang family lugar or the Erola ba na Erola family na napugos sila na mapabilin sa seaside village of Nauvo nga walay klarong plano na para sa ilang future, no. So grabe ang depression sa amahan, makita gid mo dira. And then ang inahan pag yun og ilang teenage daughter nagsunod ra gyud sa rebel sa ilang stagnant na kinabuhi. And then matag usa sa ilang kaugalingong paagi ilalom sa magical light sa midnight sun lugar ba na murag adunay na murag nagbago ang gugma nga nagsugod sa uban ng mga relasyon maabot sa katapusan. Basically, someone died. Namatay ang papa sa ni Arto ba to ang ngalan? Namatay ang papa. I don't know. Wag ko kasabot ato na scene. Tingala lagi siya namatay. Tingala ko namatay siya kalit. And then you know the adultery, which is ang main family na to ginastoryahan, which is ang Ariela family. Yeah, ang mama nag-cheat gyud ang mama. Then ang papa luoy gid kayo. And basically, it's really a crazy show, good.